Hamid here, I'm the founder of Utiliko. Just about 10 years ago, I decided to build Utiliko for myself. Similar to you, I'm an entrepreneur and a business owner. What I didn't want to do, I didn't want to deal with the complexities of running 10 different tools, paying 10 different subscription fees, and training staff on where to look for what information. It was really overwhelming. Utiliko has simplified that drastically. But I wanted to spend a few minutes and walk you through the thoughts behind how Utiliko was built. Utiliko revolves around three core pillars. One, leads. Two is clients. And three are vendors. So if I go here to sales and leads, you can customize your own pipeline in here. Go into a lead. You can document all of your communication with that lead. You could create opportunities when that opportunity presents itself. You could generate estimates and professional proposals in order to win opportunities with customers. E-signature is built right in so that lead can immediately accept that proposal or estimate, allow you to move things faster. Once the lead is won, with one click, you can actually convert it right here to a client. All of that information stays within Utiliko, and you never lose any of the prior history. If you go into clients, this single view allows you to control everything about your clients. If you're a B2B or even a B2C company, you can create contacts in here. You can create multiple locations for each individual businesses and manage it all in here. You can have contacts added, you can monitor network devices, you could generate invoices, reoccurring invoices, you could enroll them in autopay via ACH or credit cards, generate estimates for customers to approve again right on their smartphone and with e-signature built in, accept payments. You could run all of your accounting tasks, but more importantly, you could create projects. Once you've sold the client, now it's time for delivery. You can create projects and monitor the progress of that project until the deployment is completed. You can add opportunities to a client, just like we did for leads, but for upsells. You can generate support tickets for customers, things that need to be fixed, that weren't right, etc., all right here. You could generate proposals for, again, upsell opportunities. Estimates are like one page, quick, easy, just get it done, move forward. Proposals are typically multi-page, much more professional with about you and series of background information about the company and what the customer is actually paying. You can add and generate contracts right here from Utiliko, and the customer can just enter their payment information right in the agreement and then electronically sign that agreement, allowing you to move things faster. And then lastly, you have your vendor section. This is where you are able to keep track of your vendors, the things that you're purchasing for resale or services, whatever it is, all right here within the vendor section. Utiliko was built to keep things simple. Literally 90% of the functionality that you need are within a couple of clicks. You'll see a little tour once you move forward to your activation window. And if you have any questions, you should be getting an email with a series of knowledge base articles that explains everything about how to do each individual task within Utiliko. Utiliko has transformed my business and has allowed me to grow exponentially. And I'm confident it's going to do the same for you. Welcome to Utiliko, and I wish you a great deal of success.